In a world filled with tech, it can be hard to keep up with the latest and greatest gadgets. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Whether you're an avid gamer or a casual player, there's something for everyone when it comes to the world of technology. In this video, we've rounded up some of the coolest tech toys for people of all ages. From gaming consoles to smart toys, you can find anything you need right here. These awesome tech toys will bring you back again and again. Even if you're not the most tech-savvy person in the world, these toys are sure to appeal to all ages and interests. This is Technology Now. Number 1. Robo Combat Balloon Puncher. Inflatable balloon experts from the Chinese company Waiku have figured out a way to make even the most boring types of balloon exciting again. Using a radio controller, they built a robot named Balloon Puncher. It has a small rotating body and articulated arms. The goal is to have the robot and players trade blows until one of the balls pops. You can get this plaything for as little as $50. Number 2. Zax. The toy axe you throw will keep you entertained for hours to be used anywhere, not just the great outdoors. The toy is completely safe to use because it has no sharp edges and can be attached to almost any smooth surface using the suction cups. There are multiple recommended throwing styles provided by the manufacturer. That being said, Zax will keep you from getting bored. The cost of this toy is $18. Number 3. DJI RoboMaster S1. Now, if you're looking for a powerful and versatile robot that can do it all, look no further than the DJI RoboMaster S1. This amazing little machine can handle any task you throw at it. Firstly, a specialized remote allows you to direct RoboMaster wherever you like. The toy's high-tech features are evident even in its most basic form. A built-in camera allows for sideways and oblique movement. It is very maneuverable and can navigate around modest obstructions with ease. Plus, the RoboMaster S1 can quickly and easily become your study buddy. He will be an incredibly useful tool to learn anything from elementary physics to advanced computer science and robotics. Great! It's a robot in disguise, and it can be taught new tasks. It can be taught to recognize shapes and colors, for instance, or to follow a set path based on a formula. Finally, another fun aspect is that the RoboMaster S1 owners can get together and have races against one another. The robots are given enhanced capabilities in competition mode, allowing them to do things like disable their opponent's cameras. This masterpiece costs $550. Number 4. Sphero Mini Activity Kit. This sphere-shaped robot, which is both small and nimble, can be operated via smartphone. The robot comes with an entire set of 28 pieces to use in constructing a variety of obstacles. The company sells a total of 15 activity cards with various themes. Sphero, for instance, can be used as a ball for a game of miniature bowling or piloted like an RC car. Additionally, Sphero can function as a game controller for mobile games designed for it. Plus, the greatest feature is that you can give Sphero a variety of commands and have it carry them out thanks to visual programming. Depending on what's included in the set, the cost of this toy can range from $80 to $100. Now get ready for the next item on this list. Who knew you could go fishing in a dry area? Yep, you heard that right. So keep watching, and if you are enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Number 5. Casting. Enjoying the pleasures of fishing does not require you to get up early or travel far to get to the nearest lake. Casting is a VR fishing game that can be played whenever and wherever you like. Fishing with this system is as close to the real thing as it gets thanks to the combination of a mobile app, a special box placed at your feet, and a special rod with a holder for your smartphone. 2 built-in sensors allow the rod to track the virtual fisher's every move. Tension is finally created by the box underfoot containing yet another sensor. It's as if a fish were actually pulling on the line. There are roughly 70 different types of fish in the digital sea. They have different appearances and personalities, respond to various baits, and inhabit various regions of the virtual 3D space. Some aquatic organisms are adapted to live at the surface, while others are more at home at a deeper depth. If you've got $300 to spare, you can get hundreds of hours of this highly addicting gameplay. Number 6. Spin Gears. All of you are probably familiar with spinners, but let me tell you, they are getting old-fashioned nowadays. Thankfully, we have the Fin Gears, an American company presenting a revamped version of this classic toy. 3 rings comprise their plaything, and the magnets inside keep them connected to one another. Since the rings are free to rotate around each other in any direction, the configurations possible are practically endless. 10 different tricks that can be done with Fin Gears are detailed on the manufacturer's website. However, there are countless more tricks available, and the players can even invent their own. If you get tired of experimenting with just one set, you can always combine them. Furthermore, these rings are great for honing your skill and precision. As an added bonus, you can use the Fin Gears as a table toy to help you concentrate and keep your hands busy while engaged in deep thought. A plastic finished ring set will run you $15. $199 gets you the wooden model. Number 7. Shelby Destroyer. Slay your rivals. Meet the Shelby Destroyer. Foam discs are launched from the Shelby Destroyer, a foam toy gun. These projectiles are harmless, light, and easy to fire off, but they still manage to hit their mark. As opposed to other blasters, the developers claim theirs has a plethora of advantages. The Shelby Destroyer has a speed range of 75 to 110 miles per hour and a rate of fire of 6 rounds per second. The blaster has a longer range and better accuracy than any other weapon. With the magazine taking up less room due to the shell's slim profile, the need to reload is reduced. There is room for 120 discs in the blaster. The blaster's futuristic vibe is heightened by its realistic design and lighting options. The toy can be purchased for a minimum of $280. Number 8. Jump Fury. These toy cars' wheels look bigger than the actual vehicle, but this isn't a random coincidence. The main feature of the radio-controlled car known as Jump Fury is its ability to launch itself vertically or horizontally off almost any surface. The wheels are constructed from a soft and sturdy material that won't scratch the car or the road. Jump Fury is a small and nimble robot that can spin on its axis and jump up to 22 inches in flight mode. So you can make your own improvised obstacle courses by placing the car in various rooms of the house and having it jump over furniture and other household items. You can get this toy for less than $40. Advanced tech toys are becoming more popular for kids of all ages. They are not only entertaining but can also help with learning and development. I hope you found this video to be entertaining. Again, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching. All the latest technological developments right now. This is Technology Now. I'll see you in the next video.